this is the part B for the first practice problem, and this one is a rate law problem. And you know from the previous part A that we already found out what the order of the reactions are for. Let me extend that, give myself some room. Determine the order of the reactions with respect. We know that for I minus, that it's first order. That's what we found out in the last video. And that CLO minus is first order. So that means that if we're going to write the rate law for part B, it's going to be rate equals the K I minus to the first order, CLO minus 1 to the first order, like that. Okay, so that's the first part. That's super easy. The second part is a little bit more difficult. So what we're going to do is we're going to use one of our experiments. We'll use the first one. That'll give us an I minus of 0.017 and a CLO minus of 0.015 and a rate of 0.156. So I simply plug in 0.156. This is in molarity per second equals K, and then times 0.017, that's molarity, okay, and then 0.015, and that's molarity, like that. Okay, now if I'm going to solve for K, I'm going to need to divide both sides by this. Like that, so that these cancel, and what I'm left with then over here is 0.017 molarity, like this, and 0.015 molarity, like that. Now when I go through this, I'm going to cross off 1 and 1. That means I'm left with 1 on the bottom and a seconds on the bottom, because it asks us for specified units. So when I take the 0.156 divided by 0.017 divided by 0.015, I end up with a number close to 610. So K equals 610, and my molarity is going to be on the bottom, and my seconds is going to be on the bottom. Just like that. Okay, go through, make sure you can confirm the same thing. That's it. That was a quick one. Quick video to watch.